Has it been very difficult for you to be focusing in life? Has it been very difficult to just know what you want in life? How to figure it out in life? Today is your chance because the Moses Show has why you should consider getting married. And the fourth reason is lifelong commitments. Therefore, going to align yourself and then helping you focus in life. And let's do it. Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone. Thank you for coming back to the Moses Show. Today is Saturday, and this is the English session and why you should consider getting married. Let's do it. Yes, today is Saturday, and therefore, we're going to talk about the fourth reason why you should consider getting married. And the fourth reason is